In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn Overprint on or off quickly in Adobe Acrobat Pro. Whether you're prepping a document for digital viewing or ensuring it's perfectly ready for print, understanding Overprint settings can be crucial for maintaining the integrity of your colors and design. Let's walk through this process together step by step. First off, you're going to launch Adobe Acrobat Pro. You'll find the icon right on your desktop or in your applications folder. Once the program is open, look to the top left hand corner of the window at the three horizontal lines, often referred to as the hamburger menu. Click that and you'll see a menu drop down. From this menu, you're going to click on Preferences. It's near the bottom of the list. Think of Preferences as your control center where you can modify various settings to tailor the application to your needs. It's like personalizing the way you experience Adobe Acrobat. Once you've opened the Preferences window, you'll want to direct your attention to the left sidebar. Scan through until you find the category titled Page Display. This is where we'll make the adjustments specific to how your PDFs will look on screen and in print. Next, look for the section named Page Content and Information. You might need to scroll down slightly to find it. This section includes settings that impact how the content of your PDF is rendered. Within this, you'll find a drop-down menu labeled Use Overprint Preview. Now, when you click on this drop-down, you'll notice several options. They generally range from showing overprints never, always, or only when necessary. To quickly disable Overprint Preview, select Never from this list. This setting is beneficial when you want to avoid surprise prints where colors merge unexpectedly. After you've made this choice, go ahead and click OK at the bottom of the Preferences window. Doing so will save your changes and close the dialog box. It's that simple. Your overprint settings are now adjusted according to your need, ensuring a smoother workflow. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can efficiently manage your overprint settings in Adobe Acrobat Pro. As you continue working on your documents, remember that you can always revisit these settings if your project demands change. This kind of flexibility is what makes Adobe Acrobat Pro such a powerful tool for digital document management. Thanks for watching and happy editing.